If you've got no idea what salary packaging is, don't worry. I'm here to explain what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how it could help you save money by paying less tax. Let's get into it. You know how when you get paid, a chunk of your pay goes to tax? If you're eligible to start salary packaging, then you could pay for things like bills or groceries before you get taxed. The remainder of your salary, minus the packaged amount, is your taxable income. By lowering your taxable income, you could get thousands more in your pocket each year. Sounds too good to be true? It's entirely approved by the ATO. Good news for you. The healthcare and charity industries have the biggest range of expenses that eligible employees can package. This can include things like mortgage, rent, groceries, and more. Each industry has a cap limit, or maximum amount employees can package from their salary before tax. Regardless of how much you earn, you can only package up to the cap limit for your industry. You can put the full amount towards one thing, like mortgage or rent, or spread it across various expenses. In addition to living expenses, health and charity workers could be eligible to package $2,650 for things like dining out with mates, or even holiday accommodation. Now for the exciting stuff. How much could you save in tax each year? This example shows how an employee on $60,000 could be thousands of dollars better off each year through salary packaging. Salary packaging could help you pay your uni debt faster. However, it's important to be aware of how this could impact your HECS-HELP debt repayments. Even though salary packaging could lower your taxable income, it may affect the way the ATO calculates your HECS repayments. You'll need to ask your payroll department to deduct additional HECS repayments. It's easy to estimate how much extra you need to pay using Maxxia's salary packaging calculator. So, while you're paying more of your HECS, you could get more in your pocket each year as well. Win-win! It only takes a few minutes to sign up to salary packaging. You could do it while having a coffee. Your workplace will have a designated salary packaging provider. If your employer is with Maxxia, just head to the Maxxia website and hit the big Apply Online button. Have your nominated bank account details and latest payslip handy, including your employee number, follow the prompts, nominate your package benefits, and you'll have your account set up in no time. So, that's the basics of salary packaging. If you want to know more about a specific topic, check out the rest of the videos in this series. Happy packaging!